Good morning, everyone. Today I am going to discuss on the Watson and Crick model of DNA. Watson and Crick model of DNA. Model of DNA. Watson and Crick model explain on the basis of X-ray crystallography. This model of DNA explained on the basis of X-ray crystallography. X-ray crystallography technique given by Maurice Wilkins and Rosalind Franklin. Maurice Wilkins आणि रोझलिन फ्रँकलिन यांनी एक्स-रे क्रिस्टलोग्राफी बद्दल माहिती सांगितलेली आहे आणि त्याच्या एक्स-रे क्रिस्टलोग्राफीचा आधार घेऊन वॅटसन आणि क्रिक यांनी डीएनएचं मॉडेल तयार केलेलं आहे आणि ते त्या मॉडेलचं स्ट्रक्चरची माहिती पूर्ण वॅटसन आणि क्रिकनं दिलेली आहे. Watson and Crick model of DNA explained on the basis of X-ray crystallography, which was given by Maurice Wilkins and Rosalind Franklin. And model explained by Watson and Crick. So DNA structure, DNA model explained first by Watson and Crick in 1953. 1953. And when Watson and Crick explained the DNA model, then they awarded Nobel Prize in 1962 for this work. The DNA structure explained by Watson and Crick, and they awarded Nobel Prize for the explanation of the Watson and Crick model of DNA. So Watson and Crick model of DNA is spiral ladder-like structure. First point, spiral ladder-like structure. DNA model is spiral ladder-like model. Model is spiral ladder. Spiral ladder. Spiral ladder model is given by Watson and Crick. Ladder when undergo twisting, when the ladder twisted around the imaginary axis, like this structure explained by Watson and Crick. शिडीला जसं आपण पिळ्या दिलं एखाद्या ऍक्सिसच्या भोवताली शिडीला रबराची शिडी असेल आणि तिला असं जर फिरवलं तर कशा प्रकारचं स्ट्रक्चर दिसतं, तसं मॉडेल वॅटसन आणि क्रिकनं एक्सप्लेन केलेलं आहे. इट मीन्स अराउंड द इमॅजिनरी ऍक्सिस दिस spiral ladder like model explain. DNA is like twisted ladder-like structure. DNA is twisted ladder-like structure. Twisted ladder-like structure around the imaginary axis. This twisted ladder-like structure may prepared by Watson and Crick. So this spiral ladder-like model, as explained, it consists of the twist of ladder around the imaginary axis, and this imaginary axis, around the imaginary axis, the spiral ladder like structure of the DNA is explained by Watson and Crick. Now this model consists of two strands of DNA. Two strands of DNA. This DNA model consists of two strands. दोन प्रकारच्या अशा स्ट्रँड्स वॅटसन अँड क्रिक यांनी एक्सप्लेन केलेला आहे. प्रत्येक डीएनए मॉलिक्यूल डबल स्ट्रँडेड आहे. ईच अँड एव्हरी डीएनए मॉलिक्यूल इज अ डबल स्ट्रँडेड. स्ट्रँड्स अशा पट्ट्या दिसतात, दोन पट्ट्या दिसतात. डीएनए मॉलिक्यूल मध्ये दोन पट्ट्या दिसलेल्या आहेत. टू स्ट्रँड्स ऑफ डीएनए. Two strands are observed by Watson and Crick and explain the model on the basis of X-ray crystallography. So these two strands are formed by, या जे strands आहेत, these two strands are formed by the nucleotides each and every strand is formed by nucleotides, and these nucleotides are attached to each other. The nucleotides are attached to each other by formation of phosphodiester linkage between the third carbon of the deoxyribose sugar and phosphate group of another nucleotide, successive nucleotide. Suppose this is the one nucleotide, adenine nucleotide, and another one is guanine nucleotide. Each and every nucleotide is formed by three chemical components: nitrogen base, sugar. These are the deoxyribose sugar molecules. This deoxyribose sugar molecule, to the first carbon nitrogen base is attached, and to the fifth carbon phosphate group is attached. So on the basis of the interaction between the three chemical components, phosphoric acid, pentose sugar and nitrogen base, reaction takes place between these three chemical components and form a building block of the DNA molecule. DNA strand is known as nucleotides. So four types of nucleotide formation takes place for the formation of DNA strands, adenine nucleotide, guanine nucleotide, cytosine nucleotide, and thymine nucleotide. Each and every strand formed by these nucleotides by arranging sequentially the nucleotide molecule attached to each other by formation of phosphodiester linkage. This is known as phosphodiester linkage or phosphodiester bond. This is phosphodiester bond. Now, these nucleotides as attached to each other by formation of phosphodiester linkages, and strand of DNA molecule is formed. So, these two strands of the DNA molecule held to each other by formation of hydrogen bonds between the nitrogen bases. So each DNA molecule formed by number of nucleotides. प्रत्येक DNA strand, each DNA molecule or each strand of DNA formed by number of nucleotides by formation of phosphodiester linkage between the nucleotides. Phosphodiester linkage is formed between the first carbon of the sugar molecule and phosphate group of successive nucleotide. So third carbon of the pentose sugar and phosphate group. Each and every strand of DNA formed by joining of the nucleotide by formation of phosphodiester linkages between the third carbon of pentose sugar and phosphate group of another successive nucleotide. So each strand is a polynucleotide molecule. It is macromolecule. And in the DNA molecule, these two strands are held by formation of nitrogen base pairing between the nucleotide. The nitrogen base pairing is a specific. Adenine pairs with thymine, guanine pairs with cytosine, cytosine pairs with guanine, thymine pairs with adenine, and adenine pairs with thymine nucleotides. So, nucleotides are on another strand is in inverted position. So, nucleotides are attached to each other by formation of phosphodiester linkages between the nucleotide, between the third carbon of the pentose sugar and phosphate group of another successive nucleotide. Such type of nitrogen bases undergo pairing. Phosphodiester linkages formation takes place between the third carbon and phosphate group. 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 In this way, specific nitrogen base pairing occur. Nitrogen base pairing. Base pairing. By formation of hydrogen bond between the nitrogen bases. Adenine pairs with thymine, it means purine pairs with pyrimidine. adenine is purine, and thymine is pyrimidine. Thymine and cytosine are the pyrimidines, and adenine guanines are purines. Purines are dicyclic, and pyrimidines are monocyclic. So here what happened? The two strands are held by formation of hydrogen bonds between the nitrogen bases, and nitrogen base pairing is a specific. So the two strands or polynucleotide chains are held to each other with the help of hydrogen bond. 3 hydrogen bond formation takes place between cytosine and guanine nucleotide, and 2 hydrogen bond formation takes place between the thymine and adenine nitrogen base pairs. And in this way, these two strands are held with the help of hydrogen bonds between the nitrogen bases. Such type of spiral ladder-like model is explained by Watson and Crick, in which two strands are present and spiral ladder-like structure is observed. Now, in this model, the nitrogen base pairing purine is equal to pyrimidines or pyrimidines is equal to 1:1. म्हणजे जेवढे प्युरिन्स असतील तेवढेच pyrimidine असतील DNA molecule, and this phenomenon is known as Chargaff's rule. Chargaff's rule. This phenomenon is known as Chargaff's rule. It means purine and pyrimidines are equal in proportion in the DNA molecule. DNA molecule मध्ये equal proportion ने purine आणि pyrimidine असतं, असं चार्गॉफ्स यांनी सांगितलेलं आहे. Now these two strands are held by specific nitrogen base pairs. Each and every nitrogen base pairs found in the DNA molecule. Such type of nitrogen. Here the DNA structure shows two strands of the DNA molecule, two strands, and these two strands are held by specific nitrogen base pairs and look like spider ladder or twisted ladder-like structure may observe. On this spiral ladder-like model of DNA, two types of groove developed: minor groove and major groove. Major groove is deep, खोलवरती आहे. Major groove is deep and minor groove is shallow. The distance between two successive groove of the spiral ladder-like model of DNA is, suppose this is the one minor groove and this one is another minor groove. So distance between two successive groove is 34 angstrom unit. It means 3.4 nanometer. Distance between two successive groove or distance between two successive major groove or minor groove, that is known as one helix. This is known as one helix. One helix. And height of the one helix is 3.4 nanometer or 34 angstrom unit. And the distance between two nitrogen base pairs in the DNA structure between the pair, distance between the nitrogen base pair is 3.4 angstrom unit. 3.4 angstrom unit means 0.34 nanometer. 3.4 angstrom unit. And the width of the DNA molecule is 20 angstrom unit. 20 angstrom unit. It means 2 nanometer. 2 nanometer or 20 angstrom unit. So width of the DNA molecule is 20 angstrom unit, and Watson and Crick model of DNA possess minor groove, major groove. Now these two strands are anti-parallel to each other. Anti-parallel to each other. Anti-parallel. Anti-parallel. Anti-parallel molecule. Anti-parallel strands. One strand possess 5 prime, 5 dash n, 3 prime n, and another strand possess 5 prime n and 3 prime n. It means one strand is in the ascending direction and another strand is in the descending direction. So these two strands are anti-parallel to each other. So one DNA molecule possesses two ends, 5 prime, 3 prime, here 5 prime, 3 prime. So what is this 5 dash? 5 dash means phosphate group which is free, which is remain attached to the 5th carbon atom of the pentose sugar molecule, and here third pentose sugar molecule. So Watson and Crick model of DNA molecule possess different structures. The Watson and Crick model of DNA is a spiral ladder like. This model consists of two strands of the DNA molecule. This model consists of two strands. Each strand is formed by number of nucleotides attached to each other by the phosphodiester linkage. And these two strands are held by formation of hydrogen bonds between the nitrogen bases. Nitrogen base pairing is a specific. Purine pairs with pyrimidine, and here the purine and pyrimidine ratio is 1:1. It means proportion of purine and pyrimidine is equal in the DNA molecule. अशा प्रकारचे हा DNA जो मॉलिक्यूल आहे, हा DNA मॉलिक्यूल वॅटसन आणि क्रिक यांनी एक्सप्लेन केलेले एक विशिष्ट प्रकारचं मॉडेल तयार करून, आणि हे जे मॉडेल आहे हे मॉडेल एक्स-रे क्रिस्टलोग्राफीच्या मेथडच्या साहाय्याने तयार केले गेलेले आहे. आणि वॅटसन आणि क्रिक यांनी हे जे मॉडेल तयार केले डीएनएचं, याच्याबद्दल वॅटसन आणि क्रिकला नोबेल प्राइज मिळालेला आहे 1962 मध्ये. and this model was explained in 1953. Thank you.